Hi, my name is Eileen, and this is a tutorial video on how to use WOBB's employer dashboard. So this is how the WOBB's employer dashboard looks like. You can see a lot of boxes here. We're going to start with the first box, which is your leftmost. That is called your company account details box. This box allows you to change your company details, allow you to update your billing address, as well as set a new password or renew your password. Moving to the right, you'll be able to see a Create Company Profile box. This box is only visible to new employers who have not created a company profile before. Right underneath the Create Company Profile box is your Active Jobs box. This box allows you to post a new job, manage your job, and edit your job. Moving on to the right, you'll be able to see a very small box and it says Expired Jobs. This is your expired jobs and it allows you to keep track on all your expired jobs, and it allows you to renew your jobs as well. Underneath that box is your Token Counts box. You can keep track on how many job tokens, booster token, or other tokens that you have left in your account. Below this box is our Events box. It shows you all our upcoming events that we have at WOBB. To the left is your Recent Applicants box. Basically shows all the recent applicants that applied to the jobs. And to the leftmost is your LinkedIn O2 Share box. If you continue to scroll down the dashboard, you'll see a quick/mini preview of your company profile, which is what we call a company profile preview box. This box is clickable and it's also a live preview of what's going on the actual website. Now, if you look at your top left, you'll be able to see a very small icon that looks like a hamburger, and that's what we call a hamburger menu. This icon has very similar function as your employee dashboard, except that it has 3 extra functions, which are loyalty rewards, WOBB Toolkit, and CV Access. So as you know, WOBB is constantly improving and we always have new features and announcements to make. Sometimes we have surprise promotions for you guys as well. So all of this you can check through the little bell icon on the top right. So we're coming to an end, and if you have any question at all, we have actually compiled a set of FAQ for you to refer. You can access it from the footer. Here's the link. Or you can actually talk to one of our consultants. We typically reply within 24 hours. So that's it for this video. If you want to know more, do check out the other videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope this is helpful.